Do you have an interest in crop farming? Do you have excellent practical skills? Do you enjoy physical work and working outside? Can you work as part of a team? If you have said yes to these questions, then the occupation of irrigationist might be the one for you. Crop farms produce crops such as maize, wheat, fruits, vegetables, and nuts. These crops need to be irrigated with water in order to flourish. Irrigation is the watering of crops using various systems of tubes, pumps, and sprays. Irrigation is used in areas where rainfall isn't regular enough to sustain crops or during dry periods. Irrigationists are the farm workers whose job it is to carry out the watering of the crops through an irrigation system. The water used in irrigation may be pumped from groundwater, from rivers, dams, or reservoirs. Sometimes treated wastewater is used to water crops. There are many types of irrigation systems which allow water to be supplied to the entire crop in a uniform manner. Lateral move irrigation systems allow the water to be pumped through a series of pipes and sprinklers which are attached to huge wheels. The irrigation line starts at one end of a field, and after irrigating the area for a sufficient amount of time, the irrigationist disconnects the hose, and the line is either manually or mechanically rolled a number of meters across the field. The hose is reconnected and the irrigation continues. This process continues until the entire crop is watered. On smaller farms using portable systems, irrigationists lay the pipes out along the rows of crops. They attach a number of sprinkler heads at specified points along the irrigation pipes. They connect the pipes to the water pump that pumps the water through the irrigation system. They start the water pump and observe the rate of flow of water through the pipes. They inspect the pipes to detect and fix leaks. They check for areas where there is not enough water pressure to activate the sprinklers and adjust the valves to ensure the uniform distribution of water. They measure the quantity of water delivered and shut down the pump once the crops have been adequately watered. They disassemble the irrigation system and move it to the next field. These workers usually work under the supervision of a farm manager or supervisor. No formal schooling or qualifications are usually required to enter this occupation. However, employers may set their own criteria for the levels of literacy, numeracy, and communication skills required. The skills needed to carry out irrigation tasks will be gained through on-the-job training and general work experience. In some cases, for more specialized tasks, specific in-house training may be given. Should the irrigationist be expected to drive agricultural vehicles, to transport or lay out irrigation equipment, training for the required statutory licensing will be provided. Irrigationists who show initiative and a willingness to learn may progress to a supervisory position. Further progression will depend on the size and staffing structure of the farming concern.